I'm Natalie, and this is Collin. We are your new virtual assistants for the Travel Agent Boutique.
That's right. And before you ask, no, we don't deliver coffee or sort Latanya's mail.
Although, if she asked, we probably would, because she's that awesome.
True. Very true. But here's the deal. We're here to do something even better. Our job is to help Latanya bring you more training, content, and resources to level up your travel business.
Exactly. Latanya is still in charge. Don't worry, she's like the Beyonce of this whole operation. We're just her backup singers, helping her hit those high notes and keep the rhythm smooth.
And what a show it's going to be. With our help, she'll have more time to cover topics like creating unforgettable client gifts. Because let's be real, who doesn't love a good surprise?
Or how about quarterly goal check ins? Because nothing says boss energy like hitting those targets with style.
We'll also dive into finding your target audience. Trust me, talking to the wrong crowd is like trying to sell snow shovels in Miami.
Good one, Colin. But seriously, we're thrilled to be here. With us in the mix, you'll see more content, more resources, and more ways to grow your travel business.
And while we're all about professionalism, we like to keep things fun. So, if you ever catch me cracking a bad joke,
Oh, you will. It's guaranteed.
hey, consider it a bonus feature.
But in all seriousness, we are so excited to work with you. Whether you're here to sharpen your skills, get inspired, or soak up Latanya's brilliance, we're here to help every step of the way.
So get ready because with Latanya, Natalie, and me on your team, 2025 is going to be an incredible year for your travel business.
Here's to crushing goals, growing together, and making magic happen.
And maybe sneaking in a coffee break or two along the way. Cheers to that.